So, you're thinking about bringing the power of AI into your business, but maybe you're not quite sure where to start. Perfect. In the next few minutes, we're going to cut through all the hype and give you a really clear, practical guide. We're here to show you exactly why this matters so much right now and how you can actually get started step by step. All right, let's dive in.
First things first, let's just start with one number that, well, it pretty much says it all. A global study from Tata Consultancy Services found that a whopping 86% of senior business leaders are already using AI to drive growth. This isn't some trend that's way off on the horizon. It's happening right now. The race is on.
And that number? It just proves the point, doesn't it? The whole conversation around AI has completely shifted. We're way past asking if we should adopt it. Now it's a fundamental part of staying competitive, pretty much no matter what field you're in. So the real question, the one everyone's asking, is just, how do we do it right?
All right, so to kick things off, we're going to explore what's really fueling this revolution. We'll take a look at why AI has become such a powerful force, one that's literally rewriting the rules of the game for entire industries.
But what does AI really do for a business, in practical terms? Let's break down the 4 big advantages, the real tangible benefits that AI brings to the table when you actually use it strategically.
What's so cool about this is how these 4 things all feed into each other. First off, you've got efficiency through automation, right? AI takes over all that tedious, repetitive work, which frees up your team to do more creative, important stuff. That newfound efficiency then fuels enhanced decision-making, because AI can analyze massive amounts of data and pull out insights you'd never see on your own. Then, those insights unlock personalization at scale, letting you give every single customer a unique experience, which builds incredible loyalty. And when you put it all together, AI becomes this powerful new engine for innovation, helping you discover new products and opportunities you never would have found otherwise.
Okay, so that's the theory. But let's see how this stuff actually works in the real world, shall we? We're going to look at 2 absolute titans of industry that have woven AI into the very fabric of how they operate.
First up, Amazon. They are the masters of building a digital ecosystem powered by AI. Their recommendation engine is legendary, right? It's always predicting what you'll want to buy next. Then you've got Alexa, which uses natural language processing, which is just a fancy way of saying it understands human speech, to make technology feel, well, more human. And behind the scenes, predictive AI is running their entire supply chain, from the warehouse to your front door. It's one giant intelligent system.
Okay, now let's flip over to Tesla, which is a totally different ballgame. They show us the power of AI in what we call cyber-physical systems. Basically, we're talking about smart tech that actually moves around and interacts with the real world. Their autopilot system uses deep learning and computer vision, letting the car literally see to navigate tricky roads. Features like Summon make a tough parking job look easy, and even the battery management is smart, optimizing power for every single trip. See, Tesla didn't just build an electric car, they built a learning machine on wheels.
So here's the big takeaway when you put these 2 side by side. It doesn't matter if your business is purely digital like Amazon, or if you make physical products like Tesla. AI can be the strategic heart of your operation either way. For Amazon, it's all about perfecting that digital customer journey. For Tesla, it's about making a physical thing, a car, smarter and more adaptive. It just goes to show how incredibly versatile this technology really is. Okay, so we've covered the why, and we've seen the what. Now for the big one, how do you actually do it? In this next section, we're going to lay out a practical 6-step plan for bringing AI into your own organization. Here it is, the roadmap. And remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. First up, and seriously, don't skip this one, define your business goals. Don't start with the cool tech. Start with the problem you need to solve. Once you know your why, then you can identify specific use cases where AI is going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. From there, you hit a super important checkpoint, ensure data readiness. We'll talk more about that in just a sec. After that, it's all about execution. You build the AI capabilities you need, whether that's hiring new people or upskilling your current team. Then you deploy your solutions, maybe starting small with pilot projects to learn fast. And finally, and this is key, it's not a one-and-done deal. You have to constantly monitor and optimize to keep getting better. Okay, I really want to pause on step 3 for a second, because this is the big one. This is where so many AI projects just fall apart before they even start. Data readiness is all about having high-quality data that's clean, organized, and ready to go. The analogy here is perfect. Data is the fuel for your AI engine. If you don't have good fuel, it doesn't matter how powerful your engine is. It's just a very expensive paperweight.
All right, for this last part, let's zoom out a bit. Beyond all the tech and the roadmaps, what's the deeper way we should be thinking about AI's role in our work and really in our lives?
This quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head. This is the most powerful mindset you can have in the age of AI. The real goal isn't about replacing people, it's about augmenting them. It's about making us better, smarter, and more capable at our jobs. It's about a partnership.
So what does that partnership actually look like day to day? Well, think about it. By taking over all the repetitive, data crunching, mundane tasks, AI frees us up to focus on the things that we humans are amazing at: creativity, big picture strategy, and providing that crucial ethical oversight. It's not a threat, it's an upgrade to our own potential.
And so we'll leave you with this one last thought to chew on. AI isn't just another tool anymore. It's becoming a genuine partner we can collaborate with. It's here, it's changing everything, and it's ready to get to work. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build together?